Lovely Greg, okay, so sure, quite fel fyred? Fel y giri fyr? Te. Wel, siwrs to bargain on gyn dwi to beat just costal Shaq Hunt. Shaq Hunt, hanel Shaq Mona. Won you fel Shaq Hunted? Hanel, fel Urgered? Hanel run beer. Hanel?
Fel yn Gruffalo.
Oh, okay, right, Tammy man relation. As well fyred won you? Hanel, nac rennu just cionic yn en? Wel, te few like yn dwi to be, smile mate. Well, Shen face be by Ren Natalie on spell Ferrister, Ren E Caclere. Nhione dot Natalie, nhione push Bell Ferrister, teach it just man in the Shadrish. As yeah, to ram nhione is his skill, you know, te unsure, it's a chicken unsure, to CD on. CD nasty.
I can only nasty because
well, te costal Shaq kun gin CD as less CD. Sure Natalie unsure. So Ren Natalie Kergil get Hans as Remy such the redder and kush as so did you can brow in the set as Ren Annie Lime Ack and Skeel. You might have to engage that research. Yeah. Bell, yeah, in your ass, yeah, beer bag. No, to brow, and she be. So, well, Ren Daniel Pionica then, Jinta Mai, wouldn't you? Ren. No, Ren and Kershak Hunt down that Ren. Oh, Ren. Boy the shed.
The Costal Rower Emma Hunt.
Oh, yeah, tell me.
Son Frank. Smile at Gruffalo.
Ah, yeah, beer bag.
It's making it over.
Yeah, strictly. Well, you can get them for Ernan Son. Oh, well, you can get them for nastier than Ernan Son can do the beast and I'll be bothered to fair buy.
Signed copies.
Well, yes. Well, Leshen Gruffalo sign away. Yeah. Nie much reggae, Chad. Haneli on Tifosum Snaren, but Travis on Spanning. Nie much reggae is just sign away.
Paul Rogers.
Boy Shedden.
Gruffalo.
As Henye.
Yeah, and look.
Good am you. Brisha and mine. Liam the Bell Brisha. Jinta Mai Brisha.